So yeah, moving on. Speaking of Uber,
Mm,
let's look at this screenshot here.
yeah,
So
man.
basically, this is something I don't know if you took the screenshot or not.
No, I did not take the screenshot. I had the same screenshot, but mine was not 4X, it's 40X. Now I've gotten this from LA, obviously this is LA, but I've gotten also the same thing from San Francisco with a bunch of 3X's. I said this after actually last week's show that Uber is sending a lot of multiplier trips to a lot of drivers I know. Okay.
Mhm.
It's not like this infrequent little glitch that you're getting here and there. I'm getting a lot of drivers sending me 1.8s, 1.9s, 2.3s. I'm talking 2.3x now. So I know these MFers are testing something. Yep, in SF, I got a whole bunch from SF, San Francisco. I don't know what they're testing, Chris. Now, I spoke to this driver. This driver did not get a 4X ride, okay? Did not. to make that clear. The gray clouds is something new as well. You know, this is all of LA is covered in gray before it turns red. I don't know why they chose gray. I guess they chose gray, whatever the reason is. This driver actually did not get any trips with the multiplier. But why show this and give a lot of drivers I know in LA multiplier trips, actual trips? I have screenshots. You know, they're not coming in at 4X, but they're coming in at 1.8s to 2.3s, which is, hey man, I'll take that any day. Okay.
Mhm.
So I don't know. They're testing something. We're gonna find out. You know, Uber hasn't said anything yet, but one morning we're all gonna wake up, hopefully, and it's gonna be like 1.8s, 2.3s, 2.7s, 3.0s, whatever. Okay. Yeah. So I don't know. You know, these guys, they always do test these things and then they don't tell drivers because we're the guinea pigs in the big
Mhm.
old gamification experiment of theirs. But hopefully, from my mouth to God's ears, we're gonna get the multiplier. But we'll see.
Well, the only thing that's weird is again the blue. I don't know why they put that on there, but if you, I don't know if you noticed, but in the corner down, um, right almost at the bottom of the screen there on
Yeah.
the left, it says it's got the flat rate there, so it says $1.50. But
Yeah.
everything else is pretty much 4x except for a
Yeah.
couple spots where it says 3x on
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pretty interesting to see, and we've seen this pretty much since they brought flat rate surge around to several parts of the
Yeah.
country. We've continued seeing it, but it seems like it's popping up more and more. And if you have to kind of figure out the area it's in, it seems like it's in California over
Yeah.
anywhere else.
Yeah. I've seen
You
it in
know,
San Diego. I've seen it in San Francisco. I've seen it from screenshots in LA, obviously. Kenzie goes Uber plan, Uber plan multiplier baiting from surge baiting.
that's the true surge bait, correct?
That's the true baby. Yeah, that's the one. And then somebody said 4X without pickup or drop off info. Bring it. I take it. I'll take 4X over not knowing where I'm going any day, baby.
Oh
And
yeah.
then I'll go with my DF, and then I know exactly what I'm getting. Don't worry about it, West Coast Lottery scratcher. But trust me, I'm just hoping they bring it on. Hey Michelle, how are you? I hope your spreadsheet is up to 500 lines now. So anyway, but yeah, that's it. Hopefully we get the multiplier. Let's go.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I'd like to see it all over though, because as I put on there, right here, what do you prefer? Do you prefer flat rate or multiplier? Um, let us know. I mean, first off, let us know what you like or what you prefer. And as a general, not, oh well, some rides are better than others, is flat rate over multiplier.
Nope.
I'm talking about the grand scheme of things. What would you rather have? If you were given the choice to toggle and you had to pick it and lock in forever, would you pick flat rate surge or multiplier surge? 100%, I would say multiplier surge.
There you go. There's my answer. Multiplier surge, baby.
There you go. Yeah, but
That's the
that's
X for the
exactly what
multiplier right there.
that's exactly what I would do.
Okay.
To me, it was so much better. And you're right. Yeah, every once in a while, flat rate's a little bit better depending on what it is, but multiplier overall is much greater anyway.
Okay,
So,
Bear Claw says something decent actually. 4X on what? There is no rate card compared to it. It's a scam. Actually, Bear Claws is not true. I have seen whole bunch of screenshots of trips with the multiplier, it's off of the upfront fare. So you have $5 upfront fare. If you get a 2X, you get a $10 trip as opposed to anything else. So yes, there is no miles and minutes, but it's off of the upfront fare, and they're putting the multiplier on top of the upfront fare, which is, I think, reasonably fair. Yeah, that's it. So hopefully.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.